Hi everybody, this is Ankita here from Education Street, and today I'm here to talk about very interesting and a very new career option, and that is luxury management. The moment we hear luxury, it exudes its own charm. Why not, right? We all aspire to be a part of it. Saying this, luxury management has seen a very good growth rate because it seems to be that the consumers are moving a lot into it. The willingness to pay of consumers have grown and the aspiration has also grown. Saying this, today the industry is almost at 1.5 trillion USD and moving to almost 2.25 USD trillion dollars by the year of 2030 is just around the corner. So as we talk in 2025, we are very close and we are here embracing for a very new market, a very new consumer which is coming in picture, and that's called the luxurious, aspiring HNIs of the world. When I talk about luxury, it's just not about the goods that we use, like the watches, the Rolexes, and the Tiffany's, the jewelries are here, the cars are here, hospitality is here, clothing, fashion, you name it, and even travel. A lot of things are now having a separate segment of luxury. So when this has come in picture, of course there has to be people who deal with these kind of consumers. Saying this, the masters or bachelors in luxury management are available in variety of universities across the world. However, the top universities or the top countries which offer you exposure into this area definitely are France, UK, Italy, Spain, US, Switzerland, and many more of those. There are a variety of universities offering degrees into luxury fashion, luxury retail, luxury product design, and many more, and even luxury sustainability. So, saying this, there are a variety of programs with very specialized niche thing. Now, when I talk about these, we talk about also the job employment aspect. So, of course, when you're dealing with consumers of high end, you're also into the high end companies and employers. So, you name it from Mercedes, you name it to Tiffany, Rolexes, the fashion brands, the Louis Vuittons, the Gucci, Pradas, and the list goes on and on. There's a very brief list which I have prepared in the PDF, which I'm going to give you along with this video. Coming back to the job salary starts for a fresher maybe from $45,000 to $50,000, whereas an experienced person can go as high as $75,000 to $85,000 a year. So yes, there are variety of jobs into retail, merchandising, UI UX, consumer experience, relationship managers, and you name it, and there are ample of opportunities into it. What do you study in luxury management? Of course, it's a business degree, so there would be a lot of concepts about business, but focused to luxury, like marketing, operations, finances, the supply chain of these luxury good, inventory management of these luxury good, branding, influencer marketing, all of these which are very exciting to students who are from business areas. You have all of them in this degree. Apart from that, there's also a new area which is following, and that's the sustainability, because the more the companies are evolving, they're also looking at the version of being eco-friendly, and sustainable, and all other aspects. So saying this, even this area is growing in. And what are the changes or disruptive changes in this industry? Technology. So yes, earlier it was just goods produced, sold in a market, but now it has to have technology behind it, and hence technology brings in new area of employment. So technology, apart from that, the market which is growing is for the second hand products of these things, and there are a lot of other disruptive things which are happening in this industry. So saying this, the market is increasing, the consumers are increasing, so are our aspirations, and so is this industry where you may be able to root yourself into this industry in the growing years. So saying this, it's a very, very strong area, a very different career path, and definitely has a lot of scope. So I spoke a lot about abroad. We always feel that luxury comes from, all these brands which are lying outside India. Now let's talk about what happens if you study this degree outside and you return back to India. First of all, Indians are one of the very good segment of consumers for these luxury brands. So when you and I are listening to this, we are also consumers of these luxury brands. Just imagine the amount of people hold an Apple phone in today's Indian market. Saying this, all these global brands are lying their presence or being present in India in itself. So, of course, their offices require people who have studied this degree. Apart from that, we are not left behind as well as Indians. We are growing faster than ever, and hence saying that we also have our own homegrown brands which are now putting their foot in the global market. Name few like Sabyasachi, Titan. We have a jewelry market like Malabar Gold and many other brands which are forming their presence in abroad market, and that's exactly where we are coming in picture. Our furnitures are appreciated out. Our lot of artifacts, artists. All of this is giving a presence abroad, and that's how the luxury management degree could be of a great usage even if you work for an Indian brand. And as we speak, there are ample of startups which are growing upon and forming this kind of luxury goods. So saying this, there's enough that I've spoken, and I hope this really sparks an urge to explore further. If this does, there's much more that I have listed in the PDF that we have prepared for you. So if you're interested in luxury management, first you can definitely get in touch with us. We're right here with all the kind of research work done into this area to find you the right university to answer all your queries. And second, download the PDF that I have provided you after this video, because this PDF already lists down all the employers, the job salaries, the regions, the university list, and all what you want at a go. So go and do the needful. Hope this video was useful, and if you have any queries, any doubts, or just a simple feedback for us, please write it down in our comments. It really helps us to be motivated to do this more. Thank you so much.